What if I told you there are secrets about Kaal Bhairav that could change your perspective on spirituality? Kaal Bhairav, a name that sends shivers down the spine of many, is often misunderstood. He's a fierce manifestation of Lord Shiva, embodying the destructive power that's necessary for creation. This powerful deity isn't just about fear, he's also a protector, guarding devotees from evil forces. In Hindu mythology, Kaal Bhairav's significance can't be overstated. He's often depicted with a terrifying appearance, having a fierce dog as his vehicle. This imagery might seem intimidating, but it symbolizes his role in protecting the universe from chaos. Many devotees worship Kaal Bhairav for his ability to ward off negative energies. His presence is believed to bring peace and prosperity, making him a significant figure in many spiritual practices. The mythology surrounding Kaal Bhairav is rich and intriguing. One legend tells the story of how he was created by Lord Shiva to punish the demon Raja Bhairava. This tale showcases Kaal Bhairav's power and authority. Another legend speaks of Kaal Bhairav's role in punishing those who disrespected the sacred city of Varanasi. His fierce nature is a reminder of the consequences of disrespecting sacred spaces. The tales of Kaal Bhairav's power have led to various worship practices. Devotees often perform rituals to appease him, seeking protection from harm. Worshipping Kaal Bhairav involves offering liquor, meat, and other items considered forbidden in traditional Hindu worship. This unique approach to worship highlights the complexity of Kaal Bhairav's character. The rituals and stories surrounding Kaal Bhairav have evolved over time, reflecting the dynamic nature of spiritual practices. The mythology surrounding Kaal Bhairav is rich and intriguing. One legend tells the story of how he was created by Lord Shiva to punish the demon Raja Bhairava. This tale showcases Kaal Bhairav's power and authority. Another legend speaks of Kaal Bhairav's role in punishing involves offering liquor, meat, and other items considered forbidden in traditional Hindu worship. This unique approach to worship highlights the complexity of Kaal Bhairav's character. The rituals and stories surrounding Kaal Bhairav have evolved over time, reflecting the dynamic nature of spiritual practices. One of the most significant secrets about Kaal Bhairav that many people are unaware of is his association with time. Kaal Bhairav is often referred to as the god of time, symbolizing his control over the cycles of life and death. This secret emphasizes the importance of understanding and respecting the natural flow of life. By worshipping Kaal Bhairav, devotees seek to align themselves with the natural order. The concept of Kaal Bhairav as the god of time also relates to his role in spiritual growth. He helps devotees transcend their limitations and achieve spiritual liberation. Many have experienced the transformative power of faith in Kaal Bhairav. Their stories are a testament to the deity's ability to bring about positive change. For some, Kaal Bhairav's blessings have led to improved well-being and prosperity. For others, his grace has brought spiritual enlightenment. The experiences of devotees serve as a reminder of the significance of Kaal Bhairav's secrets. By understanding and respecting these secrets, one can tap into the deity's transformative power. The stories and legends surrounding Kaal Bhairav offer valuable insights into the nature of spirituality. They encourage devotees to look beyond the surface level and explore the deeper meaning behind their faith. The significance of Kaal Bhairav's secrets can't be overstated. They offer a unique perspective on the nature of time, spirituality, and the human condition. In conclusion, Kaal Bhairav's secrets are a powerful reminder of the complexities of Hindu mythology. By understanding and respecting these secrets, devotees can deepen their connection with the divine. To deepen your understanding, share your thoughts on Kaal Bhairav in the comments below. If you're interested in more enlightening content, consider subscribing to our channel.